Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss on how to query, creation of two tables and how to query with the department name. So this is what the query that we have to create it right now. So we are creating the table with the department ID, okay, and department name. And the second is the student table. So we are going to create with the roll number, name, then the date of birth, department ID and the marks. So department ID of first table is primary. Here it becomes the foreign key. So for this we have to write the thing. So same, it should be same in this table. So next what we have to do is create both the tables. So that is the first step here in the SQL. So now you have to execute it and we have to check how to do it in SQL. Okay, so just I have opened in the SQL. So SQL command, here I'll just enter the code for that, creating a table. So how to create a table? Just you have to type the query create a table department. So department table, since we have already have, I'm just changing the name of the department table. Okay, so create that. So department ID is a primary key and department name. Just run. So when you run this, table will be created. So after that we have to just describe and check whether the contents of the table has been displayed or not. So here I'm just checking, run that and then check it. So it has been created. You can just see the department ID and the department name. So it has been created. So next what we have to do is, in the same way I have to create the student table also. So just to create table students. So roll number is there. This is a primary key and department ID I have taken from the department table. So it is a foreign key. So I am taking the references from the department in this department ID. So this is how we have to do it. So when you create this, so you can check this department IDs from department table. Same thing I have used here. Okay. So next if I run this, just run that. See, department table is also, student table is created. So now erase and check what are the contents, table that we have created. Describe command and run. So I'll just, it will show the fields that we have created. So next what we have to do is we have to insert the values into the department. This is the other way of inserting the values into the department. In the previous video I have shown directly how to insert, but here, so we have taken the department ID, department, and with respect to that we are inserting the values. So you can do this. Okay, then run. So we'll get one row inserted. Similarly, you can keep on inserting at least 5 records into the department table. So just inserting that. Okay, so change this date of birth, everything, and then click on run. Department is 1. So here whatever the department that we have inserted in the department table, that same ID we have to use it here. If we use other than the ID that is not there in the department table, then this will throw an error. Okay, now just run that, insert it. Similarly, keep on adding few more values into the student as well as for the department. So I have inserted one more. Okay, done. Okay, here just, okay, done. So now run that. So after this we have inserted at least 5 records into student and the department. So now what you have to do is, we have to check the contents of the department and the student. So what query I have to use is select star from department. Okay, so now if I run, see, it will execute. So these are the department IDs and the departments that I have created. Okay, so next is the same thing. I'll do it for the student also, just to check what are the records that are inserted. So select star from students, then run. Okay, these are the values that are inserted. and these are the IDs that I have used, whatever that is inserted in the department table itself. Okay. So now what we have to do is, the query is this. So what you have to do is, you have to take the student name along with the department name using the join operation. So using this join, so this is the student I have taken from the student table. So name and then department name from the department, and using this department ID we have to join. Why using department ID? Because this department and the department name, in order to display, so one from student table I am displaying, one from the department. So to do that, so the common, which is common, that so student name has come from student table and department name has come from the department table. So common is here department ID. So I can see that students, so using this join operations if you do, so that is a department ID is common in both the tables. So that only we have to use and join, then only you will get the results. So you can see here, so in both this table we can see the department ID is common. Okay, so if you do that, then this query will get executed. So now just run. So you'll set student from the student names and department names. So you can just see which student has taken, belongs to which department. For that we are displaying this query. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe.